Hi everyone, going live to improve our brain power. Whatever we were, whatever power we had in 2023, we are still 2 more days to go, but let's take this to the next level in 2024. So, like we exercise every muscle, go do in a gym, aerobics, or do anything, the swish balls or dance. Nowadays, many types of gym practices are there, right? Like that, we will use certain techniques, certain practices to exercise our nerve cells, neurons in the brain. That is why this is called brain gym. Whatever we use less, it becomes useless. So we people go for 6-pack, 8-pack, whatever pack they have. Like here, there are no packs. There are more and more electrical connections which happens. நான் தமிழ்லேயும் சொல்கிறேன்னு சொன்னேன். எப்படி நம்ம உடம்புல மசில்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம ஆக்டிவேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, பாடியை ஃபிட்டாக வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம எப்படி ஜிம்முக்கு போகிறோமோ அதே மாதிரி ஒரு பிரெயின் ஜிம்மும் நம்ம இருக்குது. எப்படி இந்த நிறைய கனெக்ஷன்ஸ் வரணும், அப்போ தான் பிரெயின் ஆக்டிவாக இருக்கும். தெர் இஸ் அ தியரி தட் left and right brain, they are function differently. இதை கேள்விப்பட்டிருப்பீங்களா? இதை ஃபஸ்ட்டு கண்டுபிடிச்சது டாக்டர் ரோஜர் டபிள்யூ ஸ்பெரி. In 1960, when he is a neurosurgeon, when he was operating on a patient's brain, when the left and right got separated, then it revealed to him many things. So he thought, this is an old theory anyway. This is பழைய theory. Left brain is logical brain. It learns languages. It is an analytical brain. Whereas right brain is what? Creative, imaginative. It is artistic. How nice it will be, right? So people generally thought லெஃப்ட் பிரெயினுக்கு ஒரு தனி ஃபங்க்ஷனு, ரைட் பிரெயினுக்கு ஒரு தனி ஃபங்க்ஷன். பொதுவாக கலையில் இருக்கிறவங்க, இதை வரைகிறவங்க அல்லது ஆர்டிஸ்ட்டு, மியூசிஷியன்ஸ், ஒரு க்ரியேட்டிவ் ஆர்ட் எதுவும் பண்ணுறவங்க, இமேஜினேஷனு, ஃபில்ம் மேக்கர்ஸ், கதை எழுதுகிறவங்க, இவங்க எல்லாம் ரைட் பிரெயின் பீப்புள். லெஃப்ட் பிரெயின் பீப்புள் கணக்கு நல்லா வரும், அவங்களுக்கு புது லாங்குவேஜ் எல்லாம் கற்றுக்குவாங்க, அனாலிசிஸ் நல்லா பண்ணுவாங்க. இதுதான் லெஃப்ட் பிரெயின். ஓகே, இப்போதைக்கு இந்த தியரியும் மாறிடுச்சு. ஏன்னா லெஃப்ட்டும் ரைட்டும் ரெண்டும் என்ன ஃபங்க்ஷன் பண்ணாலும் ரெண்டுமே ஒன்றுத்துக்கு ஒன்று உதவுது. ஸோ we have to make both the side active. ஒரு சின்ன எக்ஸசைஸ் சொல்கிறேன். இன்றைக்கி ஒரு சிம்பிளான ஒரு 5 அல்லது 6 எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்க்கலாம். நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் பீப்புள் எல்லாம். என்ன வாட் டு தே டூ? தே ஃபோல்ட் திஸ் எல்போ அண்ட் டேக் த லெக். ஐ எம் நாட் ஷோயிங் தட். யூ டேக் த ஆப்போசிட் knee, bend the knee up and bring it to this elbow, touch it and do this alternatively. So when we do this, ஒரு take the elbow of right hand and bend the knee, bring it up and let it touch here and do it alternatively. It makes more connections there. You have find athletes doing this and many sports people doing that. Even to have money mind, we were told to do this exercise in one of the Millionaire Mind intensive program by Success Gap. Okay, தமிழ்லையும் சொல்லிடுறேன். ஒரு கையோடைய முட்டியை மடித்து கால் முட்டியை ஆப்போசிட் சைடில் டச் பண்ணணும். இதை மாதிரி ஒரு 21 டைம்ஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். இது ஒரு எக்ஸசைஸ். இட் வில் மேக் மோர் கனெக்ஷன். பிகாஸ் நம்ம ரைட் பிரெயின் கண்ட்ரோல்ஸ் த லெஃப்ட் சைட் ஆஃப் த பாடி, லெஃப்ட் பிரெயின் கண்ட்ரோல்ஸ் த ரைட் சைட் ஆஃப் த பாடி. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வாட், வென் யூ ஜஸ்ட் touch it opposite knee, it activates more new connections. Okay, one more simple exercise I'll tell you. You work both the brains simultaneously. How to do it? Have simple exercise. I'll do one exercise now. நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்? What did I do? I had one action here, finger actions. These are finger exercises. In one hand, I had this sign, best, super. Other hand, I had a victory sign. What did I do? I alternately did it. Do this. You will find it's interesting. Now it takes little time, but you'll be able to do. Whenever I was teaching my students in Hindustan, what I used to do, no, I tell them, no, you had a good meal. Supposing suddenly you have a hiccup, so pat your head, and since the meal is so satisfying good, rub your hand on the tummy. That is, we are doing different actions with each hand. The left is patting here, the right is rubbing the tummy. Do this. This is very easy. This you will be able to do, right? The third one, just கண்டி பஜாவ். ஒரு கையில் மணி அடிச்சுக்கிட்டு இன்னொரு கையில் ஆர்த்தி தட்டு காமிக்கிறது. இந்த ஆக்ஷன் நிறைய பேர் என்ன திரும்ப பண்ணுவாங்க, இதையும் எப்படி பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே, do this. You want little tougher one? Or let me do some 3 more simple ones. Okay, take your elbow like this. Now, along with this, control your breathing. Okay? Control your breathing. Now do it quickly. ஒரு அந்த காலத்தில் I saw on Amitabh Bachchan movie, he will do this. He will pat on both the knees and then touch. Or you can do this. Do it quickly. Okay? Little exercises. Let me just see one more thing. We'll do this. In the hand, this is this way. And you do this. Not this way. Okay. Do quickly. Are you able to see? Maybe I have to go back a little, and then I'll do. Got it? And one more for today. Take your hands like this. Take this hand this way. First let me do both the hands same way. Okay? And what I am going to do is, now I am going to do, this hand will go this way, whereas this hand will come this way. Let me show this way, then you will be able to see it. I am doing both the hand in the different directions. You do. Are you able to do? You try it. Okay. With this, so first exercise, what did we do? Crossover with the elbow and the knee. Second exercise, what did we do? Okay, just check in any serial. We did a hand exercise. You can do this way. There is one more also. This way. Take this hand. This I did not teach before, and now I am doing. So different way of simultaneously working will help us to make more connections. And one more thing, if you are a right-handed person or a left-handed person, you start writing with the opposite hand. I am a righty, so I will practice writing with the left hand. That will make more neurons. Even we agree or disagree with the different functions of both the brain have to make more and more connections. As we age older, we have lot of issues. Alzheimer's disease வருது. People forget things. Long term memory, short term memory, amnesia, all these are happening. To avoid that, you have to keep your both the side of the brain active, whatever function they are doing. Always learn a new language or something new, learn a new course, or learn any musical instrument, learn a language. You will find you are always keep on doing. Thanks, Chetan, for watching. You will always be doing something or other, learning. The brain never get old. The cells won't die. The brain size won't shrink, and you won't get, as you grow older, you won't get into problems. Okay, so I'll again just for I said, though I said தமிழ்லையும் சொல்கிறேன்னு சொன்னேன். நம்மளுக்கு நாளைக்கு இன்னொரு இதில் ஃபர்தராக இன்னும் குட்டி குட்டி எக்ஸசைஸ் நிறையா செய்யலாம். நம்ம இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருக்கும். ஒரு ஜாப்பனீஸ் ஒருத்தர் யுஷிரோ சுட்சுயின்னு ஒருத்தர் சொல்லி கொடுத்த எக்ஸசைஸ் எல்லாம் நாளைக்கு கொண்டு வரேன். அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். ஸோ ஐ வாஸ் ஷோயிங் யூ do different actions simultaneously with both the hand. Okay. Okay. I thought I will Chetan to this thing I'm done to. So this the other things I'll repeat. Other things, yeah. I am able to see you now. Again, you have gone. Okay. I'll try this with StreamYard. I can book before and then do. Okay. So now we are showing this exercise. You saw me doing. You practice. Supposing you are not able to do at the first go, I told you, some other exercise, patting here and rubbing here, or ganti baja ke aarti le lo, whichever hand you can do. In the other hand also do this. Shake this and then this, and simultaneously you do this. You will be able to do. These are the simpler forms. And then I showed you this where you just move the hands in the opposite direction. Once you are master this, then do it in the other direction also. We are not doing the same way. We are doing taking the hand in the opposite direction. This will also help us to improve the brain power and more connections. Actually, I was in the meeting, so I was not sequentially. I didn't do. That's why I couldn't go to StreamYard and upload the slides and all. It's okay, but you learned something today, because I also don't want to just postpone things. So try and do these exercises. Try writing with the other hand. You will have more and more connections. எப்பயும் சொல்ற மாதிரி have dry fruits, fresh vegetables, and add more power to the brain. There are many techniques where we can keep our brain young and make it happy. Thank you, Dev. We will be learning every day, one after the other. Today, just I am bidding goodbye. Keep doing this. If you are interested, I will show one more hand technique. I showed you this also, right? Here, sorry, this should not come. This. I'll show you one more. Here have these two fingers, and here have this, and change. Okay. Yeah. Just because this is also distracting me. I do this. Okay, not this. This. Do anything you invent. This I only invented now. This is no Japanese person told me this. This. And when you do, actually, you do this. You only keep your eyes closed and imagine these actions. Then you'll be able to implement in real. when people are watching. Okay. Thanks, Chetan, Hanumantrao, and Dev for watching. I'll come well prepared tomorrow. Just today, because of the shifting from bidding 2023 with TPM community and this, I thought anyway I'll go. Okay, bye. Good night.